Ready to transform your Canon EOS RP footage from flat to fantastic. First, import your EOS RP footage into Premiere Pro and drag it onto your timeline. We'll start with color correction. In the Lumetri color panel, navigate to the basic correction section. Adjust the white balance using the temperature and tint sliders to neutralize any color casts. Then, fine-tune the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to achieve a balanced image. A slight boost to contrast often helps. Now for the fun part, creative color grading. Head over to the creative section. Experiment with different looks. These are essentially LUTs to add a specific mood to your footage. Don't be afraid to adjust the intensity slider to dial back the effect. For more precise control, use the curve section. The RGB curves allow you to adjust the color and contrast in specific tonal ranges. Try creating a subtle curve for a filmic look, gently pulling down the shadows and raising the highlights. The color wheels and match section is perfect for adding subtle color casts. Select the midtones wheel and experiment with adding a hint of warmth or coolness to your footage. Finally, it's time to export. Go to File, then Export, then Media. Choose H.2.6 for as your format. For wide compatibility, adjust the bitrate settings based on your desired quality and file size. Aim for a higher bitrate for better quality. And that's it. You've just color graded your Canon EOS RP footage in Premiere Pro. Now go out there and create something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more filmmaking tips and tricks.